How to unblock Tabby Card. So if you have actually a current or an existing buy now pay later loan from Tabby app and you have not paid it on time, say for example you're currently past due for a month or almost a month, Tabby will automatically or temporarily block your card and it is not going to be operable unless you pay for it. Now, the other worst case scenario that your Tabby card gets blocked or temporarily be not operable is if you have or if you're attempting to log in into the application itself where you're attempting multiple times by using the password. To do so, just simply go into their official site, scroll all the way down from here, and then go to contact from about. Now, on the next page, just go into support and then choose on contact us. Now choose on contact Tabby, and these are all the domains where you can get intact or communicate the customer service on Tabby. They have their specific email addresses here directly from UAE, from KSA. They also have customer support hotline numbers from UAE, KSA, Kuwait, Bahrain, UAE, KSA, and so on and so forth. All these sources right here are all reliable, and that's how you unblock your Tabby card.